Hey everyone, it's Devin Burke, your health and performance coach, and in this episode, I'm going to be sharing with you my 5-step protocol for getting over a cold fast. Okay, so if you're watching this, chances are either you feel like you're getting sick or you already are sick with a cold. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you my 5-step protocol to get over that cold as quick as you can so you can get back to your life. So the first thing I'm gonna talk about here is what I call recovery mode. This is really important, and this is probably the first thing that most people overlook when they are either sick or they're starting to get sick. Recovery mode means slowing down. Oftentimes, if we listen to our bodies actually tell us, hey, we're getting sick. You know, you might kind of have a dip in energy or might start getting a little runny nose. That's your body communicating you that you need to slow down and go into what I call recovery mode, which means minimize the amount of stress and literally give your body a chance to do what it's designed to do, which is stay healthy and heal, right? So, kind of seems like common sense, is definitely not common practice. So next time you feel like you're getting sick, you want to go into recovery mode, which means minimize the stress in your life, right? That means nutritionally. So if you're eating a bunch of junk food, you got to cut that out. That means, socially, you don't want to be in environments where there's a lot of, stimulation and things that are going to cause you mental stress. Whatever kind of stress you have in your life, when you start to feel like you're getting sick, you want to cut out and go into recovery mode, which means slowing down and just giving your body a chance to heal. Now, if you have a cold, you absolutely have to be in recovery mode. You cannot be going to work. You cannot be continuing to try to do all of the things that life demands of us when we're sick. If that's what you're going to do, then you're not going to be getting over that cold in 24 hours or 48 hours. It's probably going to drag on for at least a week, which is going to just do the opposite of what you need. You need to be productive, you need to be energized. So again, recovery mode, step 1 in the protocol. Okay, number 2 is drinking chaga tea. Chaga tea is absolutely incredible. They call chaga tea the king of the forest. And people have been drinking chaga tea for thousands of years, and it's incredible for the immune system. So when you start to feel like you're getting sick, you want to start to drink at least 3 cups of chaga tea. Now, what does it taste like? I mean, some people don't like the taste. I actually enjoy the taste. It's kind of a little bit of an earthy taste. But now there's a lot of cool supplements out there and a lot of companies that make amazing chaga tea that you can start to drink that will absolutely help you boost your immune system. The 3rd step in the protocol here is the O+E+E supplement protocol. Now, what does O stand for? That stands for oil of oregano. Again, I've talked about this in a lot of my videos. I'm a huge fan because it works. Oil of oregano is a natural antibiotic, natural antimicrobial, and it is incredible for our immune systems. You do 3 to 5 drops underneath the tongue 3 times a day with food if you are sick and have a cold, or if you start to feel like you're getting sick, you want to start to do that same protocol as well. E stands for echinacea. Echinacea has been used for thousands of years in traditional medicine and non-traditional medicine for boosting the immune system. And E stands for elderberry syrup. So O+E+E, you want to get these supplements into your body to boost your immune system. That is the O+E+E formula. Number 4 in this protocol is H2O. Now, most people are walking around in a chronic state of dehydration, so you want to make sure that you start to drink more water. Super, super, super important, especially when you start to feel like you're getting sick, and especially when you are sick, you want to drink more water. Actually, you want to drink probably double the amount of water that you're normally drinking to keep your cells hydrated. You want to make sure that it's clean water as well. Don't be drinking tap water, or don't be drinking bottled water. Make sure you're getting fresh spring water, preferably from a filter or from some source that's clean, that doesn't have a bunch of toxins in it. And the last step here is C+Z. That stands for vitamin C and zinc. This is kind of a bonus here. You don't absolutely have to take this, but it has been found both of these minerals, and vitamin C and zinc, the mineral, have been found to boost the immune system. Guys, there you have it. That is the 5-step strategy to get over a cold fast. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time. Till then, live passionate on purpose.